Kurt Lewin's group dynamics, human beings rarely live or work completely alone. Most of our daily activities happen in groups such as families, classrooms, workplaces, communities, and social organizations. These groups influence how we think, feel, and behave. Kurt Lewin, one of the most important psychologists in social psychology, developed the concept of group dynamics to explain how groups function and how individuals influence one another within them. His work helped scientists and leaders understand that a group is more than just a collection of individuals. It is a dynamic system where interactions between members shape the behavior of everyone involved. Kurt Lewin believed that when people come together in a group, they create a social environment that affects each member. This environment includes shared goals, expectations, communication patterns, and emotional connections. According to Lewin, the behavior of a person within a group cannot be fully understood by studying the individual alone. Instead, we must examine the relationships and forces operating within the group itself. Group dynamics refers to the patterns of interaction, influence, cooperation, and conflict that occur when people work together. These patterns determine whether a group functions effectively or struggles with misunderstanding and tension. Lewin described groups as dynamic systems because they are constantly changing. As members interact, their attitudes, roles, and relationships evolve over time. One important idea in Lewin's work is that groups create powerful social forces that guide individual behavior. These forces can encourage cooperation, motivation, and creativity, or they can create pressure, conformity, and conflict. For example, a student who is highly motivated in a supportive study group may become discouraged in a group where others show little interest in learning. The group environment changes how the individual behaves. Lewin also emphasized the importance of group goals. A group becomes stronger and more effective when its members share a clear purpose. When everyone understands the objective and feels responsible for achieving it, cooperation increases. On the other hand, when goals are unclear or when members compete against each other, the group may become divided and less productive. Another key aspect of group dynamics is the roles that individuals play within the group. In most groups, members naturally adopt certain roles such as leader, organizer, mediator, or supporter. These roles help the group function smoothly because responsibilities become distributed among members. However, problems may arise when roles are unclear or when one individual tries to dominate the group while others remain passive. Communication is also a central factor in group dynamics. Effective groups maintain open and respectful communication where ideas can be shared freely. When members listen to one another and express their thoughts clearly, misunderstandings decrease and cooperation improves. In contrast, poor communication can lead to confusion, frustration, and mistrust among group members. Lewin conducted several experiments to understand how groups influence behavior. One of his important findings was that group decisions often lead to stronger commitment than individual instructions. When people participate in making decisions, they feel a sense of ownership and responsibility. As a result, they are more likely to follow through with agreed actions. This insight has been widely used in education, business, and community development. Another significant idea in Lewin's work is that groups create norms. Norms are shared rules or expectations about how members should behave. These rules may not always be written, but they guide behavior in powerful ways. For example, a workplace group may develop a norm of punctuality, cooperation, or mutual support. Members who follow the norm feel accepted, while those who break it may face disapproval. Group pressure can sometimes encourage positive behavior, but it can also create conformity. People may feel pressure to agree with the majority even if they personally disagree. Lewin believed that understanding these social pressures helps us design groups that encourage critical thinking and open discussion rather than blind conformity. Lewin's research also highlighted the importance of leadership in shaping group dynamics. The style of leadership can influence how members interact with each other. Democratic leadership, where members participate in decision-making, often leads to higher satisfaction and cooperation. Autocratic leadership may produce quick decisions but can create tension and dependence. Laissez-faire leadership may allow freedom but sometimes leads to lack of direction. Another important contribution of Lewin's theory is the idea that groups can be powerful agents of change. When individuals try to change habits alone, they often struggle because old routines and social expectations pull them back. However, when change occurs within a supportive group, members encourage each other and reinforce new behaviors. This is why group discussions, workshops, and support groups are often effective in promoting social or personal change. Lewin also believed that improving group dynamics requires understanding the forces that influence the group. Conflicts, misunderstandings, and resistance often arise from underlying tensions rather than simple disagreements. By identifying these forces, leaders and members can work together to create a more supportive and cooperative environment. In everyday life, the concept of group dynamics can be seen everywhere. Families develop patterns of communication and decision-making. Sports teams build cooperation and trust to achieve victory. Workplaces rely on teamwork to complete complex tasks. Even online communities develop norms and shared values that influence behavior. Understanding group dynamics helps people become better leaders, teammates, and community members. When individuals recognize how their actions influence the group, they can contribute more positively. They can encourage cooperation, resolve conflicts, and support others in reaching common goals. In simple terms, Kurt Lewin's concept of group dynamics teaches that groups are living systems shaped by relationships, communication, shared goals, and social forces. The behavior of each member is influenced by the group environment, and the group itself evolves through the interactions of its members. Kurt Lewin's work remains highly influential because it shows that understanding group behavior is essential for solving social problems and building effective organizations. His ideas remind us that human beings achieve their greatest potential not in isolation, but through meaningful cooperation with others. If you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand, please like this video, share it with others who are interested in psychology and social behavior, and subscribe to the channel for more clear and engaging discussions on important psychological theories and thinkers.